We are right in the middle of Mumbai city, a noisy city that is not known for nature. Yet, right in the middle of such a crowded place, I have birds chirping, I have colorful flowers, and all the variety of edibles growing in this urban farm in my building compound. Even in the middle of this global pandemic, we are growing our own food out of the kitchen compost and the garden compost that we freshly brew every month. It is such a pleasure to each week harvest all the precious vegetables and leafy greens growing in our building compound and then create this lovely basket to share it with one and all.
Hi, my name is Leafy and I believe it is extremely important to grow your own food because the food that's available at the market, we have absolutely no idea the number of chemicals they have, whereas the harvest that I get from my homegrown food is fresh and organic and full of nutrition, and that is why I feel we must grow our own food at home.